Hello and welcome back for another video. I'm here in Courchevel in the Three Valleys, France. This particular ski resort is known for a little bit of a playground of the rich and famous. That doesn't really bother me. I'm here to see what the skiing's like. So let's crack on and see what Courchevel has to offer. At the top of Verdons and surrounded by some nice calm greens is the Courchevel Family Park. In here you'll find some small jumps and some nice ride-on boxes. Nothing too crazy, just to get yourself warmed up for the rest of the day. The majority of the terrain that you'll find here in Courchevel is just like this, cruisy blue, perfect for intermediates. That is, as long as you can stay away from the crowds. Courchevel isn't just about intermediate blue cruisers though. There are a number of black runs, including the world famous Grand Courchevel up there underneath that gondola station. When you consider the quality of the lift infrastructure in Courchevel, it is surprising that I suffered with so many lift queues. There's a number of really fast lifts and gondolas throughout the resort. However, the queues seem to outweigh the pros of actually being there. This wasn't how I felt in the rest of the Three Valleys, where, take Val Thorens for example, the lift infrastructure whisks people away from the centre resort so quickly. Surprisingly, one of the highlights of skiing and snowboarding in Courchevel for me were actually the wide green runs that lead down towards the village. These were really fun for messing about, little spins, trying some switch riding, and I can see Courchevel being a really nice place for beginners to learn to ski and snowboard. So that's it for Courchevel. I need to make my way back to Val Thorens over the other side of those mountains there and travel back through Mirabel, which is at the bottom of this valley. But my thoughts on Courchevel are this. It's beautiful for intermediates, loads of lovely cruisy blues, and I think if I was kind of that intermediate, just done my beginner's lesson, trying to get around the mountain, Courchevel might be the place that I would go if I could afford it. That is the other thing, and it is glaringly obvious when you're walking around Courchevel that it is a place with money. Fine, if you've got it, that's absolutely amazing. For me, I couldn't afford to stay there, so it would definitely be something that would put me off. I would like to go back though to test out some more of the off-piste. The Grand Courchevel is there, I didn't get a chance to do that today, and there was some nice routes that just looked in good snow, would be well worth giving a go. Anyway, if you've been to Courchevel, let me know below what your thoughts are. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next week with another video.